Hi ma'am and sir, I am Clyde Esteva. I am 30 years old. I am from Iloilo, Philippines. I am a single mother with 2 kids. My firstborn is 12 years old, boy, and the second one is 8 years old, girl. I've been working here in Singapore for almost 8 years with 3 employers. My first employers is Chinese family. I look after grandson, 8 years old, and 2 elderly. I do cooking, cleaning, marketing, car washing, and I look after 2 dogs. And I finished my 2 years contract. My second employer is a Chinese family. They are 3 people inside the house, 2 elderly and 1 adult. My job is marketing, cleaning, car washing, and accompanying the 2 elderly going to the hospital checkups and prepare their meals, and most especially is cooking. And my current employer is I work for them for 1 year. They are a Singaporean Munakan family. I look after 3 kids, 11 years old, 9 years old, and 6 years old. My main job here is look after them, sending and fetching them from schools, sending them outside activities like tuition, like swimming lesson, golf, tennis, piano, and football. I do also cooking here, marketing, and all the household chores. Currently, I am looking for a new employer. I can transfer by the end of April 30, 2026. I assure you that I give my best, and you can trust me as your helpers, and I'm not 100% perfect, but I will do and try my best to be to not disappoint you as your helper. I am a jolly person, I am trustworthy, and I am dedicated in terms of work. I hope you can give me chance to be part of your family. Thank you.